Hi friends, today I like to share with you about 8 walking. Walking is a common recommendation by any healthcare professional as one of the best exercise that can help us to maintain good physical and mental health. But in our busy daily schedules, many of us have an excuse to skip this walking. However, we try to compensate by doing a heavy walking or other exercise during weekend. It may be a jurisdiction from our point of view, but the body still needs a daily exercise routine to maintain a proper health. So, what's the alternate? Good news is there is an alternate solution available from our ancient practice called 8 walking, invented by Tamil Siddhas. Infinity walking. How should we practice infinity walking or 8 walking? Use chalk or tape to draw 8 shape by joining two circles of approximate 6 feet diameter, each in south-north direction, in a hall or portico or veranda or garden or terrace or car parking area. Walk for 15 minutes in clockwise and 15 minutes in anti-clockwise direction. Practice this in the morning or evening in empty stomach, preferably timings morning 5 to 6 a.m. or evening 6 to 5 to 6 p.m. Start walking on a barefoot. Concentrate on the 8 shape. While walking, you can do breathing or Om mantra chanting. While doing the walk, also you can use yoga mudra while walking, like prana mudra. Benefits of 8 walking. As you walk in south-north direction, that is towards and against the Earth's magnetic field, the body gets energized and activates chakras and all internal organs for normal functioning. Due to 8-shaped walking style, all our body parts like legs, ankles, knees, abdomen, hip, hands, shoulders, neck, head, etc. moves in a twist and turn pattern. So it gives a very good physical movement to all parts of the body when compared to regular walking. As you walk on barefoot, there will be a pressure created at different points in your foot due to the contact with the ground, thereby activating all internal organs within few weeks. You see relief from any chronic diseases. Foot as the reflex acupressure points that are linked to the internal organs. As you need to concentrate on the 8 shape while walking, possibly you will avoid chatting with friends or use of mobiles, and that will ensure proper breathing. With regular practice, you will notice relief from headache, digestive problems, thyroid, obesity, knee pains, rheumatoid arthritis, weight gain or loss, and constipation, etc. This walking helps in balancing blood pressure. It also reduces sugar level in the blood and reverses your diabetes and its complications within a year of regular 8 walking. 8 walking helps you to calm down mind and relieves stress. Refresh your body for day-long work. It's easy and very convenient for aged people who can't go out for regular walking. Practice